Good morning, grade 9. How are you today? Today we are going to talk about adjectives, suffix. This is found under the line developing vocabulary in your workbook, in your student book, page 113. Okay, we have certain suffixes that we add them to nouns in order to make them adjectives. Now, you know what is the meaning of a suffix. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters that we add them at the end of the word in order to make it adjective, noun, or a verb. Now, today, the suffixes that we are going to talk about, we add them to nouns in order to make them adjectives. Let's start with the first group or the first suffix. The first suffix is ic, ik. We pronounce it as ik. Okay, and here I'm giving you an example such as aristocracy. Aristocracy واللي هي the upper class. It means the upper class. Aristocracy, the royal family or the upper class or the rich class. And the adjective from aristocracy is aristocratic. Aristocratic. Okay. Aristocracy and aristocratic. You added ic to the noun and you make it adjective. So aristocracy means the upper class. Aristocratic, people who belong to the upper class. Aristocracy means the upper class, whereas people who belong to the upper class are called what? Are called aristocratic. Aristocratic. Okay. The other group is full, such as, I'm giving you an example, care, and careful, care and careful, such as, be careful, the weather is cold outside, be careful, the weather is cold outside. Okay, another example for care. You need to take care of your baby. You need to take care of your baby. Whereas careful, it's the adjective. Be careful, the weather is cold outside. Or Ahmed is a careful person. He studies well, or his grades are excellent because he's careful. He follows all the teacher's videos and he answers all her questions. So he is careful. We added full to it. مقطع full. The other group is less, which means not enough. You can say not enough or not good enough, such as help and helpless. Okay, mommy asks you, can you give me some help? This is the noun. Can you give me some help? This is the noun. Whereas helpless is when you talk about someone and this person doesn't like to help. This person doesn't like to help, or he refused to help you. So we call him helpless. Helpless. So he refused to help us. See, so he is helpless. Okay, helpless. Somebody who doesn't like to help. And sometimes we can use helpless to talk about things. For example, this device is helpless. It doesn't work. This device or this equipment is helpless. I can't use it. Or it doesn't work. It's helpless. It's not good. Okay, the other group is OUS. You add it to noun in order to make it adjective. We have danger, and dangerous, danger and dangerous. We also have mystery, mystery, and mysterious. Mystery is the noun, and mysterious. Please pay attention to your spelling. Pay attention to your spelling. How do we spell the words after we add the correct suffix to it? Okay. Dangerous, as we said, it's the adjective, and the noun is danger. Danger. We say the situation is dangerous. Here I'm describing the situation by saying it's dangerous. It's not safe. Not safe, if you want. We have mystery and mysterious. We said that mystery means when you don't know the closure of a situation, or when you don't know what happened exactly. So it becomes what? Mystery. So mysterious is the adjective. Mysterious is the adjective. We can also say the situation is mysterious. غريب. It's not familiar to us. It's mysterious. We also have the word famous. Famous, you all know what is the meaning of famous. Someone who is well known. Well known, يعني everybody knows him. Famous. Famous. Shakespeare is a famous playwright. Okay, the other group is able, okay, such as the word comfort. Comfort is the noun. Comfort, يعني it's like something nice, comfortable. The adjective is comfortable. Yes, the adjective is comfortable, and it means relaxing and nice. Relaxing, nice, happy. So it is very comfortable to wake up late. It is very comfortable to wake up late, right? And the opposite of comfortable is uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. يعني when you are not relaxed, when the situation is not nice. Now the other group is very similar to this one, but here we have ABLE and here we have IBLE. So pay attention to the spelling of the two groups. The examples that I'm giving you: terror, which means fear, okay, or panic. And the adjective is terrible. Remember, terrible, it means very bad or dreadful. Terrible, bad, or dreadful. Now, sense is the noun, which means feelings. Feelings, my senses, my feelings, my emotions, my ideas, my senses. Okay, now the adjective is sensible. طبعا sometimes you may find a difference in meaning. يعني هنا لما قلنا terror معناها fear or panic، بس لما حكينا terrible تحول المعنى من fear ل something bad or something dreadful, right? Something bad or something dreadful. It is a terrible situation. It is a dreadful situation. Sense as well. Now when it's noun, it has a meaning, and which is feelings and emotions. Now when it becomes an adjective, sensible, IBLE, it becomes someone who is wise. Someone who is wise. He is sensible. He answers all the questions right. Or he is sensible. All his decisions are right because he is wise. Hakim. Okay, the other group is when you add y to the noun, it becomes an adjective. Hunger is the noun. يعني ممكن نقول many people live in hunger. جوع. Now, what is the adjective of hunger? Is hungry. I am hungry. I want to eat. So what did we add here? We add y. Hungry. We also have thirst, thirst, and thirsty. Thirsty. Thirst and thirsty. It's important to drink water in order not to be thirsty. It is important to drink water in order not to be thirsty. Okay, the last group here is when you add al to the noun in order to make it an adjective. Such as nature is the noun. Nature outside is nice in spring. Natural is the adjective. Natural is the adjective, something that is belong to nature. For example, drinking orange juice is something natural, natural, original, طبيعي. We also have office and official. Office and official. Office means a place. It's the noun. I work in an office. My dad works in an office. Lawyers work in offices. Whereas official, it means something formal. Official, formal. يعني ممكن may I ask you, what is the official language in USA? It's English. What is the official language in Jordan? It's Arabic. What is the official language in France? It's French. Official. What is the formal language or what is the formal situation? أو ممكن نقول gateway. Gateway is our official book. It's the formal book. We use it as grade 9 in our school. So official is the adjective. Adjective. By saying Arabic is the official language spoken in many Arab countries. It's the official language. Official language. Okay. Here I have okay, is it clear? Okay, here I have some sentences and we are going to choose what is the correct word here. Are we going to use adjectives or nouns? Number 1, Mr. James belongs to the class. He belongs to the class. So he belongs to the aristocracy or aristocratic class. He belongs to the aristocracy or aristocratic class. He belongs to the aristocratic class. Here I'm describing this class by saying it's what? Aristocratic. Is a wealthy class. It is the class of rich people. So here I'm talking about aristocracy. Aristocracy, it's the noun. Aristocracy. Aristocracy. It's the same in Arabic. Al-aristocratia. Aristocracy is a wealthy class. People who belong to this class are called aristocratic people. Ali works in an office, of course. The noun. This is the dictionary that we use. This is the official, the formal dictionary that we use. This book is use or useless. It doesn't have enough information. So this book is useless. 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 يعني it doesn't give you enough information or enough ideas.